Hi everyone, it's Anita here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am bringing you a Camille Rose Natural review and my winter wash and go tutorial. First, let's get into the review. The products that I have to review today are the Camille Rose Natural Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse and the Camille Rose Natural Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. Before I even start, I'm just going to flat out tell you that I absolutely love both of these products, and I just don't know why I never tried them before. Like, I just feel like I'm so late in the game, and these products are amazing. The Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse has Asian ginger, nourishing essential oils, castor seed oils, specially infused for moisture retention and slip. And it is also sulfate free. I love this product so much. It's a little thicker than your typical shampoo, and I felt like it's a hybrid between a shampoo and a co-wash. It is very, very moisturizing, and it absolutely does have slip. I don't detangle my hair while I'm shampooing. I like to detangle a little before then, and then I detangle more with my conditioner. But yes, I've tried it, and you can detangle your hair with this. It does a great job of really cleaning your hair. And if you have to clarify or use something a little harsh because you feel like you might have a little too much or you might have a lot of buildup, this counteracts that dryness that you get. I don't know if anybody else has that, but if I use a clarifying shampoo, if I use something too harsh, I get Velcro hair. My hair is so dry and tangled and matted together. This works really well to moisturize your hair, sort of a first step before you go into your conditioner. So if that happens to you, I would highly recommend you use this. You do another wash with this and then go into your conditioner. I use this with my Ion hard water shampoo, and they work very well together. So I haven't had any issues there. And I can wash with this multiple times without having any issues, because sometimes I'll use shampoos that are moisturizing, but once I go to use them the second time, then that may have been a little too much. But I have no issues with this. So far, as far as I can tell, this is going to be my go-to cleanser for 2018. I don't see a reason for me to switch up and use anything else, but I am a product junkie, so that might change. But I really, really do love this cleansing rinse, and I highly recommend it. My second product, the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. This product has Moroccan pear and cherry kernel oil. It's also a culinary cocktail blend of nourishing oils to soften and protect your hair's moisture barrier. It doesn't have any silicones, and it is a rinse out conditioner, but it's so thick that it reminds me of a hair mask. So, it does not, unfortunately, come in a pump. I took a pump off a Shea Moisture bottle. I absolutely love this conditioner. It makes your hair so soft, and it's so easy to detangle with this. It's thick like a mask, but it actually feels like a styling custard. I mean, it is called a custard, but it feels like something you would style your hair with and not condition with. I think this will also be a major staple of mine this year. Okay, so that is it for my review. If you want to see how I do my winter wash and go, please keep watching. I'm starting this wash and go with the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Leave-In Spray and the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk. I'm going to mix both of those products in my hand before applying it to the section of my hair. And I'm going to apply that all over my head before I go in with the styling products. I like to add a product that is thick, such as the Moisture Milk, to my hair during the winter months to help keep it moisturized and combat any dryness. Now that I have both of those leave-ins applied to all of my hair, I'm going to move on to styling with my favorite products, the Kinky Curly Knot Today and the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. I'm going to take this section and divide it in two subsections. And then I'm going to add a little water to it before I add any of the Knot Today or the gel. Here I'm adding the Knot Today. And now I'm going to make that section a little smaller and apply the curling custard. I'm done applying the Knot Today and the curling custard to all of my hair. Sorry I didn't have more footage, but I lost some of it when I was transferring it to my iPad. I'm going to turn around so that you can see the back of my hair. And this is what it looks like later on that same day when my hair is completely dry. I am about to go to bed, so I have not stretched it or anything. Okay, y'all, so there you have it. That is my winter wash and go routine. This is the same wash and go And this is 4th day hair. I didn't get to film this part of the video till a little later than I wanted to, but this is 4th day hair. And as you can see, it's holding up very well. I did moisturize it this morning, but other than that, I don't, I've said this before, I don't restyle my wash and goes. So I'll add a little moisturizer to them, but I don't actually try to restyle or redefine or add any more gel to my hair throughout the week. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.